Yo, if your Kali Linux suddenly boots into a black screen after running sudo apt full upgrade, don't panic. I literally had the same thing happen to me last night. Everything was working fine. I updated the system, restarted the VM, and boom. lightdm failed to start, Plymouth failed, and I was completely stuck. I thought I broke the whole installation, so here's exactly what I did to fix it. First, when you see this error screen, press Ctrl plus Alt plus F1. If F1 doesn't work, try F2, F3 or even F4. Just keep trying until you get a terminal login. For me, F1 worked. Now log into your Kali account. The first thing I checked was the lightdm service, and yep, it was definitely broken. But before trying to repair anything, let's make sure we actually have internet. Since we're only using the terminal, we can't see the network icon, so the easiest way is just to run sudo apt update. If you get a warning saying it can't resolve http://kali.org, that's your first clue that the VM doesn't have internet. To double check, just ping Google. If that also fails, then yep, it's a network problem. Here's what I did. I shut down the virtual machine, opened the VirtualBox settings, went to network and made sure adapter 1 was enabled and attached to net. Saved the settings, started Kali again, pressed Ctrl plus Alt plus F1, logged back in, and this time I pinged Google again. As you can see, it's working now. Perfect. Now we're ready to actually fix Kali. Run sudo apt update and let it finish. This time there shouldn't be any warning messages. Next, type sudo apt -- fix - broken install. Kali will scan for broken packages and tell you what it's about to install or repair. It'll also show the download size and how much free space you have. Just make sure everything looks good. When it asks if you want to continue, press Y and hit enter. Now just let it do its thing, don't interrupt it. Depending on your system, this might take a couple of minutes. Once it's completely finished, all you have to do is type sudo reboot. And there it is. The Kali login screen is finally back. No more lightdm error, no more black screen, and the system boots normally again. So yeah, if your Kali Linux broke right after a full upgrade, this is exactly how I fixed mine. Hopefully it saves you a lot of time, because I definitely spent way too long figuring this out. If this helped you out, you already know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.